Pause.
I just ask this, you know what's the problem about English? You know, looks asylum seek.
Ucanga usikayo. Awuyibhale.
We're not going to talk about the change. Like right now, we again like conversation that you know, seeking refuge.
Seeking refuge, dog. So imagine the crazy part would like
no asylum seeker. What about refuge?
Yeah. So they are fleeing from their country because of
lie.
How can do now? But chill, but chill. What's say?
Bro,
this guy's hitting my brain.
Bro.
You know. When you're applying for my NSFAS, you know, figure the part there, are you an asylum seeker? I'm shy. No.